How to download and install Instance app by Instagram. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to install it on your phone. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Next, tap on the search bar and type Instance. This is Instagram's official video editing app designed for creating and editing content for social media. Once you see Instance Instagram in the search results, tap on it to open the app page. Now, tap the Install or Get button to begin downloading the app. Depending on your device settings, you may be asked to verify the download using your password, fingerprint, or Face ID. Wait a few moments for the installation process to finish. After the app is installed, tap Open to launch the Edits app. You can now sign in with your Instagram account and start creating and editing videos using Instagram's built-in editing tools. And that's it. That's how to download and install the Edits app by Instagram. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips, social media tutorials, and step-by-step tech guides.